Hi friends, this is Press checking Utas UT9M Mini. Yun guys, let's press check the Utas UT9M Mini guys, chambered in 9mm. So guys, ano siya, semi-automatic PCC and blowback operation siya. So color niya black, the width niya is 55mm, barrel length is 6 inches, and of course the length is 322mm pag without muzzle brake and 345 with muzzle brake. Trigger pull niya is 3 kg and magazine is 17 rounds and 33 round magazine. Compatible siya sa Glock magazine guys. And of course the height niya is 198mm without magazine and weight niya is 2.1 kg. Well guys, the muzzle velocity niya is approximately 420 with 9mm bullet. So guys, ang ganda niya guys as PCC, di ba? Nice to have. Diba? Kung meron kayo, kung wala pa kayong mga 556, nice to have to sa collection nyo. So guys, ano pang hinihintay natin? I-test natin muna si PCC without muzzle brake. And after that, i-test natin with muzzle brake. And of course, test natin with suppressor. So guys, yan. Yun guys, this is Press again. And of course, hawak ko na naman tong ating Utas UT9. So guys, test naman natin ito. 5-meter range. So test muna natin siya guys without muzzle brake and suppressor. So guys, check muna natin. Clear yung unit. So test natin guys with 7 rounds. Firing! Yun guys, check natin guys, medyo adin tama natin kasi naninibago pa tayo. So pero yung ano niya, yung performance siya okay naman, maganda yung ano niya, yung recoil niya, controllable naman siya. So try naman natin guys yung yung with muzzle brake. Hi guys, this is Press again, and of course kinabit naman natin yung may muzzle brake ng Utas UT9M Mini. So tingnan natin guys yung difference niya. So guys, first things first, chamber load ulit, chamber ulit check. Clear. We have 7 rounds. Firing. Yun guys, within 5 meters, okay naman siya. So yung grouping natin medyo nag-improve kahit pa paano. So yun guys, ang ganda ng niya, grouping natin. So practice pa tayo guys. Pero overall guys, maganda tong Utas UT9 Mini guys. If consider niyo yung mga PCC, maganda to guys. Magandang added sa collection nyo. And of course guys, napaka-affordable din niya. So hindi na kayo talo dito guys sa Utas UT9 Mini. Yun guys. Consider niyo siya guys, ang ganda. Ano sa collection niyo guys. Hi guys, this is Press. Ginawa natin ng konting adjustment guys. So tignan natin yung performance niya. So ito guys. Ano yun natin? Clear. Firing. Ito guys, yung tama natin ngayon. So, in-adjust natin. So, pumalik naman siya. Medyo kalat-kalat lang guys, pasensya na. Pero nag-improve naman yung ano niya. So, ano natin? Adjust uli natin to. I'll try to put an optic here. So, abangan nyo sa mga next vlog natin guys. So, yun lang guys. This is press checking Utas VT9 Mini. Sana nag-enjoy kayo.